Okay, do the folks want to introduce themselves? No? No? Okay.
Yes, maybe we should.
Hello, hello everyone. My name is Spike, and I will be reading for Clarice Starling.
Hello. My name is Slimey, and I will be reading for Hannibal Lecter. Do you know why he's called Buffalo Bill? Please, tell me. The newspapers won't say.
Well, it started as a bad joke in Kansas City homicide. And they said, this one likes to skin his humps.
Witless and misleading. Why do you think he removes their skins, Agent Starling? Thrill me with your acumen.
It excites him. Most serial killers keep some sort of trophies from their victims.
I didn't.
No, you ate yours.
Send it through. Oh, Agent Starling, do you think you can dissect me with this blunt little tool?
No, I thought your knowledge.
You're so ambitious, aren't you? You know what you look like to me? With your cheap bag and cheap shoes? You look like a rube. A well-scrubbed hustling rube with a little taste. Good nutrition has given you some length of bone, but you're not more than one generation away from poor white trash, are you, Agent Starling? And that accent you've tried so desperately to shed, pure West Virginian. What was your father, dear? Was he a coal miner? Did he stick of the lamp? Oh, and how quickly the boys found you, all those tedious, sticky fumblings in the backseat of cars while you could only dream of getting out. Getting anywhere. Getting all the way to the FBI.
You see a lot, Doctor. But are you strong enough to point that high-powered perception at yourself? How about it? Why don't you look at yourself and write down what you see? Or maybe you're afraid to.
A census taker once tried to test me. I ate his liver with fava beans and a nice Chianti. You fly back to school now, little starling. Fly, fly, fly.